guys, I'll be showing you guys some tips and tricks on how to curl your hair much better than how you're doing it right now. There's a couple reasons why your curls may look better on one side than the other. A lot of it is also just practice over time, so be patient with yourself and you will eventually get it, I promise. Today I'll be using the Hot Tools Professional. It is a 1 1/4 inch barrel, and I've been using this on most of my clients, and it works for all hair types. And I like that because you can actually adjust the heat. You don't want the heat too high or too low. A good happy medium is around 380 for thicker hair, and then about 330 for medium to fine hair. First and foremost, you want to section out the hair that is manageable to you. So right now, I will just section out half my hair, flip it up. So now that we have our sections, we can grab some pieces. So the most important thing right now, because I mentioned earlier, this is a 1 1/4 inch barrel, you want to take a strand that is the same size as your barrel. So we have our section right here. And the key is for the curl to be away from your face and not towards your face. First and foremost, you want the clamp to face away from you. Take your 1 1/4 section, and what you want to do is you want to start at the middle. Don't start at the end because that's when you end up burning your hair. So avoid the ends and start at the middle. And once you clamp it down, you want to use both hands to curl it towards your scalp. The closer you get to your scalp, the more volume you're going to have throughout the head. So, towards the scalp and feed it. Towards the scalp again, feed it again. And it's this whole motion. That's all you gotta ace and you'll be fine. Also, I notice a lot of people struggling with the clamp. So a lot of the times, you'll see these little kinks in your hair. It's like a weird bend that you might have. It's because you're curling it this way. So ideally, you want the hair to follow the plate. So if I'm clamping it this way, I need to curl it a way that it goes around the plate rather than against it. If I clamp it like this and I clamp it the other way, you're gonna end up seeing a weird bend right here. So now our hot tool is on and ready to curl our hair. Start at the middle, get towards the scalp, feed it down, towards the scalp again, wait a few seconds, and pull down. Next section, start at the middle, make sure your barrel is going the right direction. And you can grab the ends if you want, just be careful not to burn yourself. And just let those curls cool. Don't pull your hands through just yet. So we're gonna take the next section. And as you get better, you can start taking bigger sections. And if you want a different look, you can try other ways of curling. And yeah, that's why I really like the curling iron, because you have so many different options and different ways of curling the hair with just one tool. It took me a couple years to master this process because I've been curling my hair since I was in high school. So guys, don't get discouraged if you don't get it at one try. And if it takes you an hour or two, honestly, that's okay. You're going to make progress eventually, so don't be so hard on yourself. In our last section, I got my hair cut 2 days ago by Greg May, and he did such an awesome job. I've been looking for someone to give me those Victoria's Secret layers, and he just did such a phenomenal job. I did do these little strands in the front here because I felt my color was a bit overdue, and my color's gonna fit me, so I had to do it myself. It took me 2 hours just to do these 2 strands. So yeah, it's a lot harder to do it on yourself than it is on others. But a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do, right? But no, don't do it at home. I would not advise anyone trying to bleach their own hair at home, even professionals, unless you're that good. Then kudos to you. The thing I struggle with my hair is the lack of volume. So as you can see, I have absolutely no volume, and that's something I've been trying to figure out for the longest time. I've tried rollers, I've tried dry shampoo and texturizers. I'm hoping that with this cut, it'll give it a little more bounce. But I'd like to avoid as much product in my hair as much as possible, just because I don't like the feeling of it, and I feel like my hair gets drier faster. Am I done? I'm gonna cross-check everything and see if you have any straight strands. No, I think we're okay. So we're gonna turn that off. Run your hands through your hair. I'm gonna use the Shaper Plus from Sebastian just to give it a little more grit in the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope at least it helped one of you, because I truly think any of you can curl your hair like this or even better. Bye!